Hi everyone, Tim Warner here, host of the Inform IT Certification Reference Guide and the On Certification podcast channel. In this screencast, I'm going to introduce you to Cert Flash Cards Online. I'll show you a product demo so you can see what the product looks like, and I'll give you contact information, so if you have any questions, comments, and so on, I'd be glad to answer those for you. What is Cert Flash Cards Online? Well, this is a product that we're developing here at Pearson that's intended to be a late-stage cert prep product. And late stage means you've already done most of your exam preparation. You may have purchased another of our products called Cert Prep Online to actually do your practice exams. Maybe you've purchased an exam cram book, you're all specced up on the subject matter, and you just need a flashcard type product to just get the concepts drilled into your head and be really fresh and sharp for your actual certification exam experience. So that's what this is. It's a browser-based product. You can get to it anywhere in the world where you have an internet connection. Right now it's a PC browser-based deal. I guess if you have an iPhone or a mobile device where you've got a pretty high-fidelity browser, maybe a Windows mobile device, you'd be good. We're working on getting Cert Flash Cards Online as a true mobile platform where you can get to it from any mobile phone or mobile PDA device. You see that the price point is really good, $24.99. I worked for Transcender back in their glory days in the late 90s and early 2000, and I helped develop a flashcard product that we called Transcender Flash. I don't know if Transcender still keeps that product line, but it was very successful. I look at Cert Flash Card Online as the successor to the old Transcender Flash. Why don't we fire up a web browser and I'll give you a guided tour. Some of the nifty selling points of Cert Flash Cards Online are, number one, it's a mobile product, as I said. Anywhere you've got an internet connection, you can log in and start practicing running some flashcards. Number two, it's a modular design. As you see, I've logged into the product with my account, and I have 3 subscribed flash packs. That's what I mean by modular. We're looking at stuff for our launch. It hasn't been launched quite yet. We're just about ready to go gold with this, as of this recording anyway, and I'm recording this screencast on October 20th, 2008. But we've got CompTIA A+. As you see here on the screen, we've got Windows Vista 7620. We have most of the Windows Server 2003 exams. I know those are getting a little long in the tooth, but you get the idea. We've got lots and lots of content here. And you see a handy-dandy button to add more flashcard packs. So the idea is you buy a flashcard pack from a Pearson e-commerce site, you get your access code, log into the web app like you're seeing here, plug in your code, click Submit, and you're good to go. You'll have your flashcard pack show up in the list just like you see here. That's what I mean by modular. Let's go into the 7620 product. Once you go into your flash pack, you can take a randomized test, which is 50 questions that are randomly chosen from the deck. You can do a full exam, that's all available questions from the deck. Better carve out some time in your schedule to do that. You can take all questions from a category, and you see here are the categories from this particular exam. Or you can do what are called custom sets. Custom sets, you'll see how those work in just a second. This is where you can create your own custom card decks, where you can aggregate, for instance, questions that you're having trouble with. It's a pretty cool idea. For this demo, why don't we select categories, and let's just choose Configuring and Troubleshooting Mobile Computing, and we'll click Start. Alright, so I guess mobile computing has 25 questions. Here's the deal, everybody. You see your question, and notice that there's no multiple choices here. So the idea is you would type your answer to the best of your ability after you review the question, and notice you can view the answer, skip, or just abort or end the exam now. If we click View Answer, it gives us a really detailed explanation, gives us the correct answer, and then down in the notes area, now this is just plugged in because I had been here before and I'd pasted in this answer. But you can just copy and paste or handwrite your notes as you see fit down in the notes area. You'll see that the notes area comes in awfully handy in just a second. Now note that you grade yourself here. The Cert Flash Card Online is an honor system kind of deal. So the grading is up to you. Now note that you can include questions in your custom study set, as I said before. So as you're proceeding, you can mark questions that will go into your custom question deck. So I'll just say I was right on this question. Question, put in your answer, view, so on. If you want to put some notes in, you can right-click, copy, paste. Let's say I was wrong on this one, and so on. So you go through, you can skip questions, as I said before, and then when you're finished, you can end or grade the exam. It tells you how many you got correct, what your percentage is, rather. You can return to the options page, and then check this out. This is particularly cool. Printable notes from this session. Let's give that a click. Isn't this cool? Printable Notes gives you an Adobe Acrobat PDF file that shows you any questions for which you added notes. So you can print this off and get a run of the category name, the question, and then any notes. I think that's an awesome value add myself. Let's click Home to come back home, and then we're back to the flash packs. Now, I think this is just a very elegant product. I really, really do. And I hope you feel the same way, quite frankly. There you have it, everyone. A brief introduction to the Cert Prep Online product. Watch for it soon on the Pearson.com website. In particular, you'll want to go to informit.com and look for announcements there. Again, this is Tim Warner. You can find me at informit.com. Look in the reference guide section. I host the certification reference guide. The On-Certification channel is at informit.com/oncertification. And my email address, if you have any questions, comments, and so forth, is timothy.warner@pearson.com. Thanks again for watching. Take good care.